The one and only solution for low budget publicity, commercial wall paintings on the highways. We do this type of commercial wall paintings on highways, big walls, shutters, everywhere, and different areas. If you have any dealers, for dealer branding also will provide. We do digital painting or manual painting, whatever you want. For cement companies, mobile showrooms, mobile companies, cell phone accessories, cell phone companies, tea and coffee companies, automobile dealers, car dealers, bike dealers, oil companies, food industry, bar companies, government publicities, anything we can do this type of commercial wall paintings on highways. Our production capacity per month 5 lakh to 10 lakh thousand SFTs. Whenever you want, wherever you want, this type of commercial advertisings, just make a call. We provide the best service. Our phone number 9246372692 for any type of commercial wall paintings, advertisings on highways. Just call us 9246372692. Once if you get it this type of wall painting, this life up to 10 years. Up to 10 years you can get excellent publicity with a low investment advertising. For any FMCG, cool drink companies, a lot of companies we did this. Particularly cement industry is my biggest clients, and automobile dealers also. Two-wheeler and four-wheeler dealers, we did this type of wall paintings.